Hello everyone, this is Typing Littles again. I'm excited to introduce this new script that I came across called Alexandria script. Excuse the gunshots, we out here in the country. So I'm going to use this name and go here, Alexandria. There we go. And you see it comes with the script base, and the shadow. So today in this tutorial, we're actually going to use the script and the script base. So I'm going to go ahead and click the script. And I'm going to duplicate it because we're going to grab the script base. Okay, and just like in my other shadow video, you can actually shadow this kind of similar. You want to supersize it so that you can see it better. And go to letter space and decrease the spacing all the way to your liking. And if you have to use the ungroup setting to move it around a lot or a little, and you select it and you use the well setting so that it's all put together. I'm going to change the color of it, especially for demonstration purpose, to allow color that we can see. And here's the shadow of the font. And what I usually do is I'll make it a little bit bigger and go to ungroup because I want to be able to layer one of these at a time. So we just do like that, and then I'll send it to the back. Okay, and then I just do like this. Make it a tad bigger. And send it by clicking arrange, move to the back. There we go. And this one seems like it's a little bit more easier to actually work with than the other script, which I have included in the description box. But I'm really liking this because I can see me making customized kids for this summer using this shadow font. Sizing it how you think it should be sized. Go to arrange, send to the back. A little smaller, arrange, move to the back. And then the letter E, just a little bigger, move to the back. So now that I have it all, I can kind of look and see what I need to edit and move around, like so. I can actually make this a little bit smaller, like so. Move that over. Shrink it just a smidge. Make that just a little bit bigger. And if you want to check to make sure that all of your shadows are aligning, you can actually select it all and move it. And you can move it on a line so you can kind of look across a line. That's a little tidbit as well. So that all of your shadow is on the same line. There we go, and that looks even enough for me. And here's your shadow. Isn't that awesome? So now the last step we're going to do, we're going to select all of your shadow and weld it together so that it's all one part. So you have your shadow here, here. And then once you weld that, you have to bring your regular script back to the front that you see it. So when you made sure that the shadow is big enough for your font and you click make it, it's going to bring up your two mats. It's going to bring up your black mat, which is your shadow, and it's going to bring up this mat. If you're going to be working with HTV for this project, don't forget to actually select the mirror image so that your images are mirrored, and then you can go ahead and lay the HTV or the heat transfer vinyl onto your shirt, bag, or other medium that you're pressing. So this is just a quick introductory of the Alexandria script. If you need any questions about how to get this script, check the description box as well as the other shadow videos that I've actually made. So I hope that this video was easy to follow, and as always, happy creating.